What's up guys, in this video I am going to talk about how you can shoot your video effectively and immediately. So let's begin. As you might know, there are many things involved in making just a single video, like lighting, script writing, storyboarding, acting. Making a video is not a very easy job, but there are main two things which are very important in the whole process of making a video, which are script writing and storyboarding. This will illustrate how your video will look like in future. So in this video I am going to talk about two models by which you can write a better script and to storyboard better. Basically there are three sections in one video: intro, main content and outro. Intro includes the basic information about your video, and outro includes like, share, comment, subscribe, etc, etc thing, or a message which you want to give to your audience. But the main content includes the core of your video. So when the main content arrives, many people get frustrated because they don't know how to deliver those information which they have in a certain way to attract more and more audience. Many content creators who are doing all the work single-handedly are sometimes frustrated about how to write script and how to storyboard because they don't know how to do it. There are two ways by which you can do this. First is called PPF and the second is called TPA. So let's start with the first one, which is PPF. So PPF means past, present and future. So let me give you an example. Let's suppose you want to make a video about trains. So there are many ways by which you can do it, but the most effective way and the most common way is that first start with the history, then come to this point and tell them about the recent systems which are involved in the trains and the recent technologies and the present things, and after that give them idea about how our future trains look like, how development which has to made to achieve that superiority. So in this way you create a very smooth storyline. As you know, people don't like puzzles. If you give them a puzzles like a piece of information here and piece of information there, they will get bored. But in this way you will entertain them and give all the information which you gathered in just a certain way. So that way. Now another is a TPA. TPA stands for theory, procedure and application. Actually this kind of format is generally used when you have to teach something to someone. Let's suppose you are a science teacher and you want to teach about gravity. There are many ways to do it, but a most effective way is to do with the TPA. So let me give you an example. First, in the theory section you can write a definition. In procedure section you can explain that definition and illustrate many experiments related to gravity, or you can give information about the functions which are related to the gravity. In the application section you can give application of those functions, you can give application of new technology which involved in the gravity, or you can do many more things. So this way a message which you want to deliver goes from you to your audience very smoothly, and they don't get bored, because when they bored they will leave, and that's it. So I hope you guys like my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any kind of suggestions, so please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, and as always, thanks for watching it, and bye bye.